All right, today I'm checking out the Eurythmics. I'm listening to the song Here Comes the Rain Again. Let's get into it.
Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. I want to walk in the open wind, I want to talk like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Baby, talk to me like lovers do. Here comes the rain again, raining in my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? Like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do.
It's so interesting when you really get deep in the weeds. You get way deeper into someone's catalog who has a major hit, right? Mostly known for that. And like, people know music, I'm sure know Annie Lennox. But if you don't know music, you're just a casual human being and whatnot, you probably know Sweet Dreams are made of this. You know, I mean, that might be the only song you know. And maybe they have more hits, I have no clue, right? But Sweet Dreams, that's the main one that I remember. And it's just like, every time. It's like the same with Avril Lavigne. Like, you know, Skater Boy and Complicated or something. So much more than that. It's like Annie Lennox is so much more than just Sweet Dreams. It seems like most of the songs you guys have given me is nothing like that. How do artists end up with these one-off mega hits, just some random creative kind of song, when really it seems like the core of who they are as an artist, it's so much different than that? Is that intentional? Like the record label just helps you come up with a mega banger or something? You know what I mean? That intentional or just like accident? Like, oh, I had a random creative accident that turned out to be brilliant and super successful. Like, what goes on here? I think about that all the time when we get the artists where they got like just some crazy big hit, but it's so different than most of the songs that we've listened to from them. It happens. Every now and then we get an artist like that. I think about that. That's what I'm thinking about right now.
Here it comes again.
what's going on here because I'm a little bit in my head, right? A little bit thinking about just Annie Lennox as a whole. But I heard enough to think it's a love song, but it seems like it's more than just a love song, right? It's more than just that. The whole "It's Raining" thing makes it seem like, well, the love isn't going perfect, right? I want to kiss like lovers do and do all this stuff like lovers do, but wanting to means probably isn't going on. So it's like that, right? It's like she's wanting more from her lover. That's probably what's going on. Like she's yearning for love. That's what I think without being hyper focused on the lyrics. More of a sonic experience and a bit of a meta, like zoomed out experience as well.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like I don't know. But I don't know.